Good morning, student. I am Vishal Anand. Today we are going to revise chapter 7 Earth, Sun and Moon in Science. Now, in this chapter, we try to understand Sun, Moon, Earth, solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. Now, start with solar eclipse. Start with solar system. Solar system is the system of 8 planets revolving around the Sun. Apart from planets, asteroids, comets and satellites of various planets are also part of the solar system. The Sun is the center of the solar system. The 8 planets in the right order are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Jupiter, Mars, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. They revolve around the Sun in fixed path called orbits. Now, all the heavenly bodies have distinct characteristics. Now, this Sun is the largest object in the solar system. Mercury is the smallest and the closest to the Sun. Venus is the brightest and very hot planet. It is second planet from the Sun. Earth is the only planet on which life exists. It is also called the blue planet. Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun. Uranus is the seventh planet and Neptune is the eighth planet. Now, Sun. Our next heading is Sun. Sun has been named Sol by the scientists and this is why the system of planets is called the solar system. All planets revolve around the Sun. It is giant star and huge ball of burning gases that provides energy for life on Earth. The energy released by the Sun is called solar system. Now, next heading is Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the only planet which supports life. It protects us from the harmful radiation of the Sun. About 30% of Earth's surface is covered with land and about 70% is covered with water and ocean. Now, the air that revolves around the Earth is called atmosphere. There are 3 layers of Earth: crust, mantle and core. What is core? Core is center or the innermost layer of the Earth is called the core. Mantle, the layer between crust and the core is called mantle. Crust, the Earth's outermost layer is called crust. Now, next heading is Moon. Moon is the only natural satellite of Earth. A satellite is an object which revolves around a planet. There are 2 types of satellites: natural satellites and artificial satellites. Now, natural satellites these are naturally exist object which revolves around a planet. Now, artificial satellite, these are man-made satellites. Landing on the Moon. The first man who landed on the Moon was Neil Armstrong, followed either by Edwin Aldrin and Michael Collins on 20th July 1969. Faces of the Moon. The changing shape of the Moon are called the phases of the Moon. The Moon changes its shape every night. Sometimes it is round ball, sometimes C-shaped and sometimes it disappears completely. Now, eclipses. Our next topic is eclipses. The Sun is very large in size and it produces light of its own. The Earth and the Moon are much smaller in size and do not produce any light. Moon reflects the light of the Sun. Eclipse means when a heavenly body hides another heavenly body by its shadow. Our next topic is solar eclipse. When Moon comes between the Sun and the Earth, solar eclipse occurs because the Moon blocks the sunlight reaching the Earth. At the same time of its occurrence, for a while people in certain parts of the Earth cannot see the Sun at all or just partial. Lunar eclipse. Lunar eclipse occurs when the earth comes between the sun and the moon, and the earth shadow falls on the moon. This is known as the total lunar eclipse. For those people it will be partially lunar eclipse. The moon and the tides. Due to the gravitational pull of the moon, there is periodic rise and fall of water level in large water bodies like seas and ocean. These are called tides. As the moon revolves around the earth, the surface of the earth facing the moon experience the maximum gravitational pull as the water rushes upward on the side facing the moon. Water level at the shores rises, causing high or spring tides. Now, between the two high tides, ocean water level falls, causing low or neap tides. Now, let's revise the chapter once again in very short. The solar system is named after Sol, the name for the sun. Life is not possible on the moon. The moon is the earth's closest neighbor. Lunar eclipse occur on full moon day. Solar eclipse occur on a new moon day. The earth has three major layers called the crust, mantle and core. The sun is the huge ball of burning gases and is situated at the center of the solar system. Hydrogen is burned at the core of the sun. Sun makes up 98% mass of the solar system. Now, students, this is all for today. Thank you.